Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to install Avive mining app on your phone. Okay, so without further ado, let's go straight on how to install Avive mining app. Okay, so first thing you must do is to go to PlayStore and search for Avive. Is the mining app. Don't go for any other app. All I know is this app. Okay, so you click on it, then you click on install button over here and you wait for it to install. Then you click on the open button for it to send you to the registration platform. So this is it. Let's click on it. Okay, so here on the registration platform, you input your email in this bar here, and you click on the send OTP, which is a one-time password, and and it will be sent to your email address that you entered here. So let's go back to our email. So this is a one-time password for Avive, and this is you copy it and you go back to the Avive registration platform. Then you paste it there and you click login. Okay, from there you enter the invitation code, which is on the screen, or you can have the link down below on this video. You can choose to allow to access this device location, or you can ignore it by clicking on the don't allow. From there sends you to the actual platform, okay, the mining platform. You see here I have 0 SOL power. SOL power is basically like the hash rate on platform website. So hash power is like the SOL power, okay, the SOL mining power. So here I have 0 hash power, so I need to claim this hash power so that I will increase my hash power. And there's ways and how you get more hash power. After this video you see a link down below that you see, click on it and you learn how to increase hash power daily. Okay, it's so easy. There's more to it. Don't stop mining Avive. You will have free Bitcoin and free Avive tokens or coin, because Avive is a whole blockchain. Yeah, so I can't say it's a token, it's a coin. Yeah, good. So this is it. I'll say goodbye and subscribe to my channel, and love it, like it, and share to friends who would love to hear about new mining app.